Happy Monday, November 29th, last Monday of November. This is Bryan Devore with Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. Hope you had a very nice Thanksgiving holiday. And now we are in full holiday season swing. Hanukkah just celebrated last night, the first candle. We have Christmas coming up later this month. So all kinds of fun festivities going on. But this is a very important Monday market moment because as the subject talks about, we do have a new low. So we are going to talk about the latest stats. We're going to talk about a new low in San Diego real estate. And finally, want to buy a tavern? You can maybe even buy a tavern. So not a lot we're going to get into on this kind of shortened week, but some important stuff. So let's jump into it. The totals right now, 2,096 homes for sale in San Diego County. That's down 475 from last week. The week before that was down almost 200. So a huge drop in the number of homes for sale throughout all of San Diego County. Again, this is all property types: attached properties, detached properties, manufactured homes, the whole gamut. Just over 2,000 homes is unheard of considering how many homes there are in San Diego County. And then pending sales, 3,797, an increase of 48 from last week, which means the new low. Months of inventory is at 0.55. It has not ever been that low. That's down 0.14 from last week. So just over 1/2 of a month of inventory. No new homes came on the market. It would take just about 1/2 of a month, call it 18 days, to sell all the homes in San Diego County. It's unheard of. All right, what happened in the last week? So since last week, new actives, 448, that's down to 81. Now, again, that's partially because of the holiday, right? We had a short week. So fewer people were putting their homes on the market. Instead, we're focusing on Thanksgiving holiday. So that explains why we had so few homes coming on the market in the last week. New pendings, 525, that's also down 165. So that's down by a big number, but not as many homes, not as much of a drop as there was in new actives coming on the market. New pendings listed within the last week, 35, that's 7%. So 7% of the homes that have gone into escrow in the last week were listed within the last week. That's actually down from 9%. But new pendings listed within the last 2 weeks is at 338. That's at 64%. That's an increase from the week before. So more homes are selling at least within the first 2 weeks of coming on the market. So 64%, over 2/3, or almost 2/3 rather. New closed sales, 394, that's down 199. Again, totally explained by the fewer days of business. Escrow companies were closed both Thursday and Friday. So while people could put their homes on the market, people could go under contract even during the holiday, you couldn't close a deal. Escrows could not close on Thursday or Friday. So we had quite a bit of a drop there, which is explainable. But the median list price is down 20,900 from the week before, down to 749. And that's median list price. Median sales price, 761. That's down 38,000 from last week. It's kind of a moving target. These medians are kind of a moving target. They've been jumping around quite a bit. It depends on the mix of properties, attached homes versus detached homes, et cetera. So we continue to watch that. The average days on market, 19. That's down a day from the week before. Here's our charts. New actives, new pendings, and new solds. And you can see quite a big drop in all three compared to the weeks prior to that. Again, the holiday, no need to beat that dead horse, but that explains a lot of that. And the pricing, the drop there as well. All right, so I'm not going to get into other stories that I've put in the constant contact email, but you can look at all the articles that are in there. There's some good ones, so take a look at that. But I did want to talk about this property here. Caught my interest. I thought I would share that with everybody. That used to be a tavern. So built in 1760. You can buy it today. It's on the market for only $350,000. You could buy a piece of history. What is this place? Well, it's 22 Trundlebed Lane in Kensington, New Hampshire. Formerly known as Blake Tavern, this 3-bedroom home was moved to its current location by 32 oxen in 1862. That's kind of cool. 32 oxen moving an entire house. I'd love to see that if there were photographers back then. 1,984 square foot house is being sold as is No repairs. You can get an inspection if you like, but they're not going to be fixing anything. And it will require a buyer with vision, as you can understand. It also comes with a barn that was once a blacksmith shop. I wonder what kind of blacksmithing was going on in there. Some history. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Again, it's a short one and a short week, but I look forward to seeing you next Monday in the next Monday Market Moment. In the Constant Contact email, you will see again the articles and some information about how you can support seniors and the Foundation for Senior Wellbeing. So please take a look at that. Hopefully you can join us at the Festival of Trees coming up this Saturday. So more information again in the Constant Contact email. That's it for this week. Hope to see you next week in the next Monday Market Moment. Have a great day.